I'm going to show you how the advanced workout builder works with the onboarding flow. And you can use this for your high ticket, mid ticket, or low ticket program. The only difference is for high ticket, we typically will create this as a checkout page, not a landing page where you're trying to sell something. My example here is the low ticket. So a good way to use the low ticket programming is that way they get AI coaching, programs only. There's no actual human interaction. But this can help liquidate ad spend. And the way this works is we'll send them to this page. And on that page, they'll go ahead and purchase. I'm just going to purchase here. Use my little test code. And I'm going to put in a payment information here. Cool. And once they pay, cool, it'll automatically redirect them to the agreement page. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Cool. Awesome. And then it's going to, what it's doing right now is it's logging their IP address, making a certificate, a PDF, and it'll email it to them. And now I go to my program builder. Cool. All right. And you can adjust this for whatever you like. There's a few things that we have to create the account inside of Trainerize. We're just going to say this, right? And I'm going to gain muscle. Awesome. Full gym. And I'm a beginner. Cool. And that's as easy as it is to sign up. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you what it actually did on the back end. And on the front end, from the end user perspective, they'll get a couple of emails, right? So they're going to get an email with the agreement that they sign. A welcome to your app, right? Or they can download the app, get the app set up, their password, that kind of stuff. We go ahead and add their nutrition goal. We create their meal plan, and then we send them a receipt for what they purchased. Now, once they get into the app, so within a minute, they can log into the app. They will have their initial workout. If you set up progress photos, they'll have their weight in there. They'll have their goal, right? So they'll go ahead and have their nutrition goal. They'll go ahead and have their meal plan that's ready to rock and roll, so they can use the meal plan. They can use the grocery list if they're using the app, that kind of stuff. And if I was on the app, they can do a little grocery list here as well. All right, now how did that actually happen? So inside the KISS OS now, you're going to see a command center. And inside that command center, we're going to have programs, and there'll be a program builder here. And you can have this for high ticket, low ticket, male, female, police officers, first responders, performance. You can have as many program builders as you want. And I'm just going to give you an idea of what that looks like. And the reason why we did it this way is there's so many people out there that love their programs, make awesome programs, and AI programming just isn't great. So you can actually pre-program for your avatar. And we'll just go with this example, right? Male, gain muscle, full gym access, beginner. You can pick what program to assign them to. You can pick what their nutritional load is. You can pick what group they go into. You can pick which coach they get assigned to. And there's a lot more on the coach assignment as well. But from that standpoint, that's how the program builder goes through. And then you can have the surveys built off of that. We're going to be moving everybody over to this because it's just a lot easier, cleaner to move around. But that's the way the advanced program builder is, and how you actually go through the sign-up flow, whether it's high ticket, mid ticket, low ticket. You can automate all of those processes and speed up your onboarding and activate people almost immediately. If you have any questions on that, feel free to let me know.